From remittances to investment, building an Israel-Somaliland business bridge. How diaspora capital, Israeli innovation, and Somaliland strategic assets can support commercially sustainable growth. Somaliland's diaspora sends money home, builds businesses abroad, and maintains deep commercial knowledge of local markets. The next opportunity is to turn more of that influence into structured investment. Israel-Africa Business Connect, IABC, aims to provide the bridge, connecting diaspora investors and African operators with Israeli companies that offer practical technologies in agriculture, water, health, digital services, clean energy, cybersecurity, and logistics. Why this model matters? Traditional business missions often end with introductions and photographies. IABC's model is designed to go further. It combines vetted matchmaking, market entry guidance, vendor screening, regulatory context, and transaction support. The goal is to move opportunities from initial conversations to pilots, joint ventures, licensing agreements, and locally managed operations. The approach also gives diaspora investors a more productive alternative to fragmented remittances. By pooling capital through a syndicate special purpose vehicle, investors can participate through one coordinated structure. A local operating company can then deploy the technology, manage permits and staff, and share ownership with the technology provider. Clear governance, milestone-based funding, reporting, and independent due diligence help reduce risk for every party. Where opportunity is strongest, Somaliland's needs align with areas where Israeli firms have established expertise. In food security, potential projects include drip irrigation, greenhouse farming, drought resilience fodder, and post-harvest systems. Water and energy opportunities include solar pumping, brackish water treatment, purification, recycling, and remote monitoring. Healthcare applications include portable diagnostics, telemedicine, clinic electrification, and cold chain systems. Digital opportunities span security payments, remittance to investment platforms, trade registries, enterprise software, and cybersecurity. Logistics may be most visible anchor, but port and the adjacent economic zone can support warehousing, cold storage, light assembly, customs technology, and regional distribution. Their location on the Gulf of Aden gives the corridor relevance beyond Somaliland, particularly for trade linking East Africa, the Red Sea, the Gulf, and wider global markets. A 6-day mission with commercial intent. From October 17 to 22, 2026, the Somaliland Diaspora Business and Cultural Mission to Israel will bring together business owners, investors, technology executives, academics, and civic leaders from Europe, North America, the Gulf, and Africa. The program begins in Jerusalem with orientation, institutional dialogue, and relation building. It then moves into technical visits and commercial sessions focusing on agri-tech, water security, logistics, fintech, health technology, and cybersecurity. Field demonstrations will help participants assess whether technologies fit Somaliland's climate, infrastructure, and operating conditions. Sessions in Tel Aviv and Coastal Innovation Hubs will connect the delegation with founders, accelerators, investors, and infrastructure providers. The final day will focus on translating discussions into preliminary agreements, pilot roadmaps, and an Israel-Somaliland Diaspora Business Council to maintain momentum after the visit. The mission should be charted by what happens next. A successful outcome would include a small, credible pipeline of projects with identified sponsors, technology partners, local operators, budgets, and timelines. Early pilots could focus on commercial greenhouses, solar-powered water systems, diagnostic networks, cold chain infrastructure, or digital payment rails. Each opportunity should answer basic investment questions. Who owns the asset? Where will the vehicle be domiciled? How will intellectual property be licensed? What protections govern major decisions, currency risk, and profit repatriation? Who will operate and maintain the project locally? Addressing these questions early separates a promising idea from a bankable transaction. Prepare to participate. Delegates should arrive with more than a general interest in partnership. Each participant should prepare a one-page project brief defining the problem, proposed solution, target location, estimated capital need, expected revenue model, and preferred partnership structure. Investor groups should align on ticket size, investment horizon, governance expectations, and the areas in which members are tax residents. From connection to execution, IIBC's central promise is straightforward. Use trusted relationships to connect capital, technology, and local execution. For Somaliland, that could mean stronger infrastructure, more resilient agriculture and water systems, better healthcare access, and new digital services. For Israeli companies, it opens credible pathways into African markets through involved local partners. For the diaspora, it creates a chance to move from supporting consumption to owning productive assets. And dear listeners, that's the end of our weekly program, Somaliland the World Press. Till we meet next time for some program. Have a nice day.